Imagine flushing away your debts and bad luck with something as simple as a clove of garlic. It sounds impossible, right? But this ancient practice might just hold the key to unlocking prosperity and financial freedom. Your home is more than just a place to live. It's a reflection of your inner world. When negativity builds up, it can block the flow of abundance, especially in unexpected places like your toilet. Believe it or not, this is where bad energy gathers, impacting your finances and luck. But what if you could clear it all away with a simple, time-tested ritual? Using something as basic as garlic, you can flush out bad energy, poverty, and misfortune, making way for wealth, peace, and prosperity. Why the toilet? Why focus on the toilet? It's not just a place for flushing physical waste. In many ancient traditions, the toilet is also seen as a place where bad energy collects. Negative energy, just like physical waste, can build up over time. If left unattended, it can slowly affect different areas of your life, most commonly your finances and overall well-being. In Feng Shui, for example, the toilet is thought to be a source of energy loss. The belief is that an open toilet drains away not only the water, but also good energy, wealth, and opportunities. If your toilet is left unclean, or its lid is always open, it's like letting prosperity flow out of your life without you even realizing it. That's why keeping this area clean and performing simple cleansing rituals can be so powerful. Think of it this way. When you clean your toilet, you're not just getting rid of germs and dirt. You're also removing the negativity that may be blocking the flow of good things like money and luck into your life. By focusing on this overlooked area of your home, you can start fresh and create space for positive energy, which leads to better opportunities and financial growth. So, while it may seem odd at first, the toilet represents an important area in your home's energy balance. Neglecting it can result in stagnant energy that holds you back. Cleansing it with something as simple as garlic can help to shift that negative energy out of your life, allowing you to attract prosperity and leave behind the cycle of debt and bad luck. The power of ritual and intention. Rituals may seem small, but they hold incredible power when done with intention. A ritual like this garlic cleanse is more than just a physical act. It's a way of signaling to both your mind and the universe that you're ready for positive change. It's not about magic or superstition. It's about using a clear intention to direct your energy and focus. In fact, science backs this up. Quantum physics shows that the energy around us responds to our thoughts and intentions. When you perform a ritual with the purpose of clearing negativity and welcoming abundance, you're aligning yourself with positive energy. It's like hitting a reset button, allowing you to shift your mindset and attract new opportunities. A good example is the research by Dr. Masaru Emoto, who studied how positive thoughts and intentions can change the structure of water. His experiments revealed that positive words could turn water into beautiful crystal-like formations, while negative thoughts created chaotic patterns. If our thoughts can have this kind of effect on something as basic as water, think about the impact they could have on your environment and life. That's what makes this garlic ritual so powerful. When you drop that garlic into the toilet, you're doing more than flushing away waste. You're symbolically removing the negativity that's been weighing you down, whether it's debt, poverty, or bad luck. By setting a clear intention and performing the ritual with belief, you open the door for new energy, wealth, and good fortune to enter your life. It's a simple practice, but the key lies in how you approach it. Believe that you deserve financial freedom and prosperity, and this ritual will help clear the path for it. How to perform the garlic ritual. Now that you understand the importance of cleansing negative energy, let's dive into the steps of this simple yet powerful garlic ritual. This is a practical way to remove any energetic blocks standing between you and the financial freedom you deserve. Follow these steps carefully, and remember, it's your intention that brings the real power to this process. 1. Clean your bathroom. Start by thoroughly cleaning your bathroom, especially the toilet. Negativity often builds up in dirty, cluttered spaces, so this step is crucial. Scrub the toilet, remove any trash, and make sure the entire area is spotless. Keeping the toilet lid closed when not in use is also important, because an open toilet is believed to drain away positive energy. A clean, tidy bathroom creates the perfect foundation for this ritual. 2. Prepare the garlic. Take a fresh clove of garlic and hold it in your dominant hand. Garlic has been used for centuries to ward off negative energy and protect against misfortune. As you hold the garlic, focus on your financial burdens, bad luck, or any other negativity you want to eliminate from your life. Visualize these negative elements being absorbed into the garlic. 3. Set your intention. This step is key. Close your eyes and focus your mind on what you want to attract into your life, whether it's financial abundance, peace, or good luck. Say out loud, "I release all financial burdens, debts, and bad luck from my life. I welcome prosperity, wealth, and positive energy." Speak with confidence, believing that this ritual will create real change. 4. Drop the garlic and flush. Once you've set your intention, drop the garlic into the toilet. As you flush, imagine the water swirling away all the negativity, financial worries, and bad luck that have been holding you back. Visualize your burdens being carried away with the water, leaving you with a fresh start and a clear path to abundance. 5. Affirm positive change. After flushing, it's important to affirm the positive changes you want to see in your life. You might say something like, "I am free of debt. I am open to receiving all the wealth and opportunities coming my way." These affirmations help to reinforce your intentions and align your thoughts with the positive energy you're attracting. This ritual is simple, but it can have a profound impact when done with focus and belief. It's not just about the act of flushing garlic. It's about mentally and energetically clearing out negativity so that you can make room for prosperity. The power lies in your mindset, and by using this ritual, you're sending a clear message that you're ready for financial freedom and good fortune. The science behind it: shifting energy for financial freedom. You might be wondering, how can something as simple as flushing garlic change my financial situation? The answer lies in the power of intention and energy. While this ritual may seem like a superstitious act, it actually taps into principles backed by science, specifically quantum physics. Quantum physics teaches us that everything in the universe is made up of energy, including our thoughts and emotions. Our environment is a reflection of our inner world, and when we hold on to negative energy, such as stress about finances, feelings of lack, or fear, it can block the flow of abundance into our lives. This garlic ritual serves as a way to physically and energetically release that negativity. Dr. Masaru Emoto, a Japanese scientist, conducted experiments that showed how positive intentions could change the molecular structure of water. When water was exposed to positive words, thoughts, or music, it formed beautiful, crystalline shapes. But when exposed to negative energy, the water formed chaotic and disordered patterns. This demonstrates that our thoughts and intentions can directly influence the world around us. Similarly, when you perform this garlic ritual, you're symbolically flushing away negative energy that might be holding you back from financial success. By setting a strong intention and reinforcing it with positive affirmations, you shift the energy around you from negative to positive. This simple act can help clear out the energetic clutter that's been preventing wealth and opportunities from flowing into your life. This isn't just about believing in magic or luck. It's about understanding that our mindset and the energy we project have a real impact on our lives. By taking control of that energy and focusing it through this ritual, you're setting the stage for new opportunities, financial freedom, and prosperity to come into your life. So even if this garlic ritual seems unusual, think of it as a way to reset your energy. It's a reminder that your mindset and intentions matter. And when you combine that with an action, like flushing away negativity, you're empowering yourself to create a better financial future. A personal story of transformation. Let me share a story that shows how this simple ritual can make a real difference. James, a close friend, found himself trapped in a financial nightmare after unexpectedly losing his job. He was once doing well, supporting his family, but things changed overnight. With no income and bills piling up, James quickly sank into debt, feeling more stressed and hopeless as the days passed. No matter what he tried, prayers, positive thinking, or even vision boards, nothing seemed to work. His situation grew worse, and after months of struggle, James was desperate for a solution. That's when he heard about the garlic ritual from another friend. At first he was skeptical. How could something as simple as garlic help him with a problem so big? But with no other options, he decided to give it a try. James cleaned his bathroom, following the ritual's instructions step by step. He held the garlic clove, focused on the crushing weight of his debt, and visualized all his financial burdens being absorbed into that small piece of garlic. He then dropped it into the toilet, set his intention for financial freedom, and flushed. For the first time in months, he felt a tiny spark of hope. To his surprise, things began to shift. Within weeks, new job opportunities appeared. He found ways to cut down his debt, and slowly but surely, his financial situation started improving. It wasn't magic. It was the combination of a simple act, a clear intention, and the belief that he could turn his situation around. The ritual helped him shift his mindset from feeling stuck to being open to new possibilities. James's story shows that sometimes even the smallest actions can have a big impact. The garlic ritual wasn't just about flushing away negativity. It helped him mentally reset, focus on positivity, and attract new opportunities into his life. His financial problems didn't disappear overnight, but the ritual gave him the push he needed to start turning things around. This personal transformation is a reminder that no matter how desperate your situation may seem, there's always a way to break free. It starts with believing that change is possible and taking that first step, no matter how small. The garlic ritual is just one tool that can help clear the path toward financial freedom. Your turn. Let go of bad luck and welcome prosperity. Now it's your turn to try this simple yet powerful ritual. The garlic ritual is not just about flushing something down the toilet. It's about letting go of all the negative energy, bad luck, and financial stress that's been weighing you down. Think of it as a fresh start, a way to clear out what no longer serves you and open yourself to new possibilities. You don't need to believe in magic for this to work. What's important is the shift in your mindset. When you actively decide to remove negative energy from your home and life, you create space for something better to come in. This ritual is a way to reset your energy, allowing you to welcome abundance, prosperity, and financial freedom. Here's a quick recap of how you can perform the garlic ritual. 1. Clean your bathroom thoroughly to remove any clutter or stagnant energy. 2. Hold a clove of garlic in your hand and visualize your financial burdens and bad luck being absorbed into it. 3. Set a clear intention for what you want to attract, whether it's wealth, peace, or success. 4. Drop the garlic into the toilet and flush, imagining all the negativity being washed away. 5. Affirm positive change by repeating affirmations like, "I am free from debt," or "I welcome abundance into my life." This is more than just a symbolic act. It's about taking control of your energy and mindset. You are actively choosing to let go of what's holding you back and welcoming the good things that are waiting for you. When you focus on positivity and clear intentions, you create a space for wealth, opportunity, and good luck to flow into your life. Even if this seems like a small step, it's a step in the right direction. By shifting the energy in your home and mind, you'll notice things beginning to change. Whether it's new opportunities, unexpected financial gains, or simply a lighter, more positive outlook on life. What's next? Give this ritual a try and see what happens. You've got nothing to lose, except the negative energy that's been holding you back. As you perform the ritual, keep an open mind and heart, trusting that good things are on their way. Afterward, take note of any changes, no matter how small. Whether it's a new opportunity or a feeling of peace, these are signs that you're on the right track. And remember, this is just the beginning. By regularly clearing negative energy and setting positive intentions, you can continue to attract abundance and financial success into your life. What do you have to lose except your debt, bad luck, and worries? Try it out and see how your life starts to shift for the better. Final thoughts. The path to abundance starts with action. The journey to financial freedom doesn't always start with major changes. Sometimes it begins with simple, symbolic actions that help shift your mindset and open doors to new opportunities. The garlic ritual is one of those small but powerful actions. By flushing away negative energy and focusing on positive intentions, you're clearing the path for prosperity to flow into your life. The beauty of this ritual lies in its simplicity. You don't need fancy tools or complex steps to bring about change. All it takes is a clove of garlic, your intention, and the willingness to let go of what no longer serves you. And while this act may seem small, the mindset shift it creates can lead to real, tangible results. Remember, this isn't about instant miracles or magic. It's about aligning your energy with the outcomes you want. When you clear away negative energy, whether it's from your home or your mind, you make room for wealth, success, and peace to enter. The toilet, an often overlooked part of your home, becomes a symbol of release, a place where you can flush away not just physical waste, but also the energetic blocks holding you back. As you move forward, keep in mind that consistency is key. Just as you clean your home regularly, you should also work on clearing negative energy and setting positive intentions in your life. The more you practice, the more you'll notice changes, whether it's unexpected financial gains, new opportunities, or simply feeling lighter and more positive. So take action today. Perform the garlic ritual with a clear mind and strong intention. Believe that you have the power to change your financial situation and welcome abundance into your life. And remember, the path to prosperity starts with just one small step. Now go ahead and give this ritual a try. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Did you notice a shift in your energy or finances after performing the ritual? How did it make you feel? Your story might just inspire others to take their first step toward a more abundant and prosperous life.